you're going to hurt this thing by spraying water on it, people.
So Mark, when you say
common
spray,
sense left a lot of people.
how just a mild spray, like just with a hose with the normal pressure?
Just regular garden.
Okay.
Just with the regular spray nozzle.
Gotcha.
Especially
coming off. It's just that I didn't know if it could go up under or.
no, but
Right.
especially if you have landscapers or you're cutting the grass and it's kind of thick around there, you're throwing it up in it.
Yeah.
Landscapers like to do that. They like to throw dirt all in it. And
There's a lot of farms, a lot of dust, there's a lot of pollen, there's a lot of stuff that gets trapped in there. What they've done with these newer air conditioners, they put the fins a lot closer together to get more transfer. But by putting the fins closer together, they made an air filter. So yes, you're getting better transfer and these units are getting more efficient, but you got a big filter out there that you gotta clean out. And if you don't do it, I've seen, once again, amp readings, 20, 30% less. I've seen some of them were even more than that.
Wow.
I mean, when they get really packed up, some of the older units, and the more dirtier they get, the more of a filtration they do. Because now you had a hole that was this big, now it's down to this big, now it's trapping even more stuff, now it's choked off. So
It's only gonna get worse.
when Zach does them, or I clean coils, or whoever cleans coils, we get a lot of customers. We'll take pictures. Like this is before. Look at the garbage coming out with the foam, and like, holy crap! I didn't know it was that bad. So you can save yourself some money.